Good AM. Today is October 10, 2023 Tuesday, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Swar 3 Visayas 10:30 AM result for October 10, 2023 Tuesday. Here are the yesterday's 10:30 AM, 3 PM, and 7 PM STL Visayas draw result recap for Monday, October 9, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of October 10, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.